Keep the flow steady on ramp 3. Automated gate is cycling now.
The thermal imaging on panel 4 shows a slight elevation.
Yes, but the biometric readings are stable. Let's clear it for now.
Look at the reading on the secondary conveyor, sensor 9.
I see it. The weight differential is slightly off calibration.
The automated cleaning tunnels utilize high-pressure water jets, ensuring every surface meets the strict.
The liming process is critical. Here, robotic arms submerge the hides into a chemical bath.
See that spot near the edge?
Yes, the coating is uneven there. We need to adjust the pressure. The core temperature is holding steady at 72 degrees.
Looks good. Maintain current smoke levels.
Did you scan the last crate?
Yes, intake confirmed.
The automated milking lines ensure a hygienic process, with workers closely monitoring the flow through these transparent pipes.
Pressure holding steady at 40 psi.
Noted. Flow rate is consistent.
Yes, the mixture is perfect. We are clear for the next rotation.
This conveyor feeds the bones directly into the primary grinders.
How long does the rendering process take?
The temperature in tank 3 is stable at 90 degrees Celsius.
Good. The flow rate looks optimal for this batch.
Bay 2 is clear. Copy that. Moving the dairy now.
Look at this reading here, right within the acceptable range.
Yes, looks good. I'm logging the data now.
The inbound volume looks heavier than projected for the next hour.
We're keeping pace, but I'll monitor the merge point closely.
This crate is heavy, careful now. Bring it over here to the conveyor.
Mom, look at the cookies. Can we get these ones, please?
All right, sweetie, we can get one box. Go ahead and put it in the cart. Here is your receipt. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you find everything all right today?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much for your help.
A truly modern home emphasizes clean, organized storage solutions, ensuring everything from groceries to garments is perfectly preserved.
Bay 2 is clear for the leather shipment. Confirm receipt on the tablet.
Confirm. Moving in now. Moving in now.
Crane 3, you are clear to lift the 20-foot blue unit.
Roger that, moving to position over stack 4.
Next pallet, clear the belt, please. Coming right up, watch your step over here.
From the pasture to the plate, this is the global journey of our integrated supply chain.